Now, this is topic number 4.5.5. Here we will discuss strength of sigma and pi bond. After formation of bond, it means sigma and pi. Now we have to find out which one is strong and which one is weaker one. So generally sigma bond is strong bond. Generally we can say that sigma bond is strong bond. Why sigma bond is strong bond? Because it will form head-to-head overlapping. Clear? And then after C, here pi bond. The pi bond is one type of electronic cloud. So now we will discuss here. See, basically the strength of bond depend upon extent of overlapping. Overlapping कैसा हो रहा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. Here basically the strength of bond depends upon extent of overlapping. In case of sigma bond, the overlapping of orbital take place to a larger extent. Here larger extent will be there. Clear? जो हम लोग ने हाइड्रोजन में देखा था VVT. Hence it is stronger as compared to pi bond, where the extent of overlapping occur to smaller extent. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Now next जो आता है, further it is important to note that pi bond between two atoms is formed in addition to sigma bond. Clear? Pi bond formation will be again which take place in addition to, we can say that, sigma bond here. Clear? Now it is always present in the molecule containing multiple bonds. Pi bond is always present, so where we can say that in molecule multiple bonds are there. Multiple bond matlab it may be either double bond or we can say that triple bonds are there. Clear? Now this is complete information related with respect to strength of sigma, as well as we can say that pi bond is there. Now next concept we will discuss here, hybridization. So what is hybridization? तो hybridization का मतलब होता है mixing of two or more than two different type of orbital with each other. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? hybridization. देखो, in order to explain the characteristics, clear, geometrical shape of polyatomic molecule like CH4, ammonia and water, Pauling introduced the concept of hybridization. Why we can say the concept of hybridization will be given to see, in order to explain the characteristics and geometrical shape of polyatomic molecule like CH4, ammonia and water, etc. Pauling introduced the concept of hybridization. According to him, the atomic orbital combine to form new set of equivalent orbital known as hybrid orbital. Clear? According to Pauling, the atomic orbital combine to form new set of equivalent orbital known as hybrid orbital. Now, unlike pure orbital, the hybrid orbitals are used in bond formation. The phenomenon is known as hybridization. The phenomenon is normally known as hybridization, which can be defined as the process of intermixing of the orbital of slightly different energy so as to redistribute their energies, resulting in the formation of new set of orbital of equivalent energy and shape. So see, during we can say that hybridization, what will happen? यहाँ क्या बोला है? See, unlike pure orbital, the hybrid orbitals are used in bond formation. The phenomenon is known as, the phenomenon is known as hybridization, which can be, hybridization can be, here we can say that hybridization can be defined as the process of intermixing of orbital of slightly different energy so as to redistribute their energy, resulting in the formation of new set of orbital of equivalent energy and shape. For example, when 1 2s and 3 2p orbital of carbon hybridize, there is formation of 4 new sp3 hybrid orbital. अब ये लाइन का मतलब क्या है? आपको क्या करना है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, दिस इज कार्बन Z is equal to 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 is there. 1, 2, 3. Here 2 and here this one. Electron will jump from here to here. 1, 2, 3. ये आ गया. This is we can say that carbon. तो देखो ये आपका क्या है? तो this one will be again we can say that condition where 4 orbitals are completely unoccupied or unfilled. Now hydrogen, so Z is 1, 1s1. तो देखो 1 hydrogen, second, third and fourth hydrogen will be there. Here sp3 hybridization will be there. इसमें क्या आएगा? तो this is we can say that 2s. Here px, py and pz will be there. इसमें क्या बोला 1 2s and 3 2p. तो 3 2p कौन सा px py and pz. Clear? So this is complete information of hybridization. Clear? तो what is hybridization? तो this is we can say that ये मैंने मीथेन के थ्रू बताया. तो here this is complete information of we can say that methane. Now we will discuss here features of hybridization. Features. तो चलो पहला features क्या है? The number of hybrid orbital is equal to the number of atomic orbital that get hybridized. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? मतलब number of hybrid orbital is equal to the number of atomic orbital that get hybridized. जैसे देखो अभी how many orbital will come in case of CH4? तो total number of orbitals are 4. इसमें 1s and 3p और यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे 3p plus ये 1s. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स आर 4. तो देखो कार्बन है, हाइड्रोजन, 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 हाइड्रोजन. एंड हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन विल बी हियर 4. So therefore here we can say that 4 number will come. Clear? So this is first feature of hybridization. Now second one, the hybridized orbitals are always equivalent in energy and shape. So whenever we can say that hybridization will take place, so whatever orbital is hybridized, its energy will remain same and shape will also remain same. Clear? Now hybrid orbital are more effective in forming stable bond. Clear हुआ? Then the pure atomic orbital. The hybrid orbitals are more effective in forming stable bond than the pure atomic orbital. Clear हुआ? Now these hybrid orbitals are directed in space in some preferred direction to have minimum repulsion. Here we can say that repulsion will be minimum between electron pair and thus a stable arrangement is there. So these hybrid orbitals are directed in space in some preferred direction to have minimum repulsion between electron pair and thus stable arrangement. Therefore, the type of hybridization indicate the geometry of the molecule. Clear? So on the basis of these 4 features, here we can find out shape. तो इसका मतलब मैं ऐसे बताऊं, जैसे कार्बन है, here 2 hydrogen, and then after here we can say that 1 hydrogen. देखो ये क्या है? कार्बन and 4 hydrogen. Here 1 carbon and these 2 hydrogen is present in this board, and this hydrogen is normally known as wedge, and this one is nothing but it is normally known as dash. तो wedge मतलब in front of this plane, wedge का मतलब in front of this plane, और h dash मतलब आपका back side of this plane. So in this way here carbon and 4 hydrogen will be there, but arrangement of hydrogen in this space will be again which take place in such a way that the repulsion will be again we can say that minimum. So see on the basis of these 4 feature we can explain this hybridization. तो जैसे अभी मैंने मीथेन बताया, same condition will come in case of ammonia as well as we can say that water. Same condition will come in case of ammonia as well as we can say that water. तो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में देखो पॉलीएटॉमिक में मीथेन है. अब मैं यहाँ पे हाइब्रिडाइजेशन डिस्कस करूँ किसका? अमोनिया का. पॉलीएटॉमिक में 3 एग्जांपल है ना. Here is what will happen? So this is we can say that hybridization of ammonia. चलो ये NH3 नाइट्रोजन Z is 7 1h2 2h2 2p3 1 है 2 है 3 है 1 2 1 1 1. How many hydrogen? So see here number of hydrogen will be 3. Here number of hydrogen will be 3. So hydrogen Z is 1, 1 is 1. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here again hybrid SN will be sp3, but it will not participate in bond formation. So this is normally known as lone pair. चलो मैं नाइट्रोजन अमोनिया का स्ट्रक्चर बनाऊं. ये H है, C. Here we can say that this hydrogen, and this one is nothing but it is normally known as lone pair. Here see, one nitrogen and 3 hydrogen will be situated in this plane in such a way that its chances of repulsion will be minimum and stability of molecule will be maximum. So this is hybridization of ammonia. Now similarly, we will discuss here hybridization of water molecule. तो चलो यहाँ पे मैं जैसे water बोलूँ, ये H2 and then after we can say that here O. चलो O, तो Z is 8, 1H2, 2H2, 2P4. ये 1, 2, 3. तो 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is there. अब यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन आता है. So Z is 1, 1 is 1. So here hydrogen. So hybridization will be sp3. And here we can say that number of lone pair will be 2. So now this is oxygen and this one is hydrogen. Here lone pairs are arranged in this way. Clear? The shape may be not linear. Why shape may be not linear? So due to presence of these two lone pair, here we can say that shape of water molecule will be not linear. See, in case of ammonia, methane and water, hybridization will remain same, but arrangement of atom and shape will be different. So this is complete information of hybridization. In case of methane, ammonia and water, in case of methane, no lone pair is there. In case of ammonia, one lone pair is there. While in case of water molecule, 2 lone pairs are there. Clear? Now, in case of hybridization, अभी ये वही टॉपिक चल रहा है hybridization. तो मैंने आपको definition बता दिया, and then after we can say that features बता दिया. Now important condition for hybridization. Clear? Important condition for hybridization: the orbital present in valence cell of atom are hybridized. है ना? Valence cell of the atoms are hybridized. The orbital undergoing hybridization should have almost equal energy. Here we can say that energy should be same. The promotion of electron is not essential condition prior to hybridization. Clear? The promotion of electron is not essential condition prior to hybridization. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Now next one, it is not necessary that only half-filled orbital participate in hybridization. In some cases, even filled orbital of valence shell take part in hybridization. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि in case of hybridization only half-filled orbital is required. So many times here filled orbitals are there which will participate in case of hybridization. Here in this way 4 important conditions are. Clear? Important condition में क्या आएगा? The orbital present in valence shell of atoms are hybridized. The orbital undergoing hybridization should have almost equal energy. Energy should be same. The promotion of electron is not essential condition prior to hybridization, and it is not necessary that only half-filled orbital participate in hybridization. In some cases, है ना, lone pair वाले. In some cases, even filled orbital of valence shell, है ना, take part in hybridization. Clear? Now we will discuss here classification of hybridization. It means types of hybridization. In our course, see 3 different type of hybridizations are. One we can say that sp, second one is sp2, and then after sp3. So see, So there are various type of hybridization involving s, p and d orbital. The different type of hybridization are as under sp, sp2 and then after sp3. तो चलो sp hybridization इसमें क्या होगा? See, it involves mixing of one s and one p orbital resulting in the formation of two TWO, two equivalent sp hybrid orbital. Clear? sp hybridization, it involves mixing of one s and one p orbital resulting in the formation of two equivalent sp hybrid orbital. समझ में है कि नहीं? Now here the suitable orbital for sp hybridizations are s and p z. The suitable orbital for sp hybridizations are s as well as p z if the hybrid orbitals are to lie along the z axis, है ना? Now each sp hybrid orbital says 50% s character and 50% p character. In case of hybridization, only two orbitals are here, one is s and one is p. So out of this s and p, 50% is related with respect to s character and 50% is related with respect to p character. Now such a molecule in which central atom is sp hybridized and linked directly to two other central atom possess linear geometry. So this type of hybridization is also known as diagonal hybridization. So this is nothing but it is only known as diagonal hybridization. Again I am repeating, such a molecule in which central atom is sp hybridized and linked directly to two other central atom possess linear geometry. तो geometry will be again we can see that linear. उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? shape. So this type of hybridization is also known as diagonal hybridization. The diagonal hybridization का definition clear हुआ? चलो, the two sp hybrid point in opposite direction along the z axis with projecting positive lobes and very small negative lobes, so which provide more effective overlapping resulting in the formation of stronger bond. तो चलो जैसे यहाँ पे ये s ऑर्बिटल है ना, ये p ऑर्बिटल है और ये बेरिलियम है, ये बेरिलियम लीनियर बेरिलियम 180 डिग्री. तो whenever one beryllium and two Cl will join with each other, here we can say that hybridization will be sp. Here we can say that hybridization will be sp. And here means bond angle will be, again we can say that 180 degree. चलो जैसे मैंने बेरिलियम लिया, तो see this is beryllium. In case of beryllium, Z is 4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. ये आपका 1, 2, 3. तो 1, 2, 1 and then after see यहाँ पे कितना आता है? 4 है 4. तो here 1s2, 2s2, 2 electron. So this is electronic configuration in ground state. But how many chlorine we require here? 2. So therefore 2 valence orbitals should be vacant. Here 1, 2, 3. इसको बोलते हैं excited state. 1 and then after 1 is there. अब मैं Cl लूँ, है ना? Cl. तो Cl में कैसा होता है? This is Z is 17. 1h2, 2h2, 2p6. 3s2, 3p5. तो 1, 2, 3. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here which orbital will participate? Pz. तो चलो यहाँ पे आपका Cl और यहाँ पे भी आपका Cl. Here hybridization will be sp. And hybridization will be sp. So shape will be linear. Here shape will be linear. So during hybridization in case of BeCl2, तो बेरिलियम का 1 2s orbital and 1 2p orbital will participate और क्लोरीन का pz orbital will be there. Clear? तो देखो ये सब बताया हुआ है. Now, so these two sp hybrid orbitals are oriented in opposite direction. ये देखो ये orientation है. In opposite direction, forming an angle of 180 degree. Each of the sp hybrid orbitals overlap with 2p orbital of chlorine axially. Here जो overlapping होता है that is axial and formation of 2BCl sigma bond। ये जो बनेगा ना आपका, देखो यहाँ पे C, तो बीच में बेरिलियम और इधर क्लोरीन, तो these sigma bonds are there, and angle will be again we can say that 180 degree। Here angle will be again we can say that 180 degree। So this is complete information of sp type of hybridization, correct? Now in case of types of hybridization, three different type of hybridizations are. Number one, we can say that here means sp, it is already completed. Now we will discuss here sp2 hybridization, clear? In case of sp2 hybridization, one s orbital and two p orbital will we can say that mix with each other. One s orbital and two p orbital mix with each other, clear? तो चलो यहाँ पे देखो क्या दिया है, in this type it is involvement of 1s and 2p orbital in order to form three equivalent sp2 hybridized orbital. For example, in BCl3, this is BCl3 molecule, the ground state electronic configuration of central atom is 1s2 2s2 2p1. This is ground state electronic configuration. But here how many Cl we require? 3. Therefore 3 orbital should be vacant in nature. But here only one orbital. Therefore here one electron will jump from 2s and it will go in 2p. So finally in excited state 1s2 2s1 2p2 will be there. Clear? So this is electronic configuration in ground state, and second one is again in excited state. So these three orbital 1 2s and 2 2p hybridized to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbital। चलो मैं फिर से बता दूं, इन केस ऑफ बोरॉन, तो बोरॉन में नॉर्मली क्या होता है, सी बोरॉन, तो हियर दिस इज बोरॉन, Z is 5, 1s2 2s2 2p1, ये 1 2 3, here 1 and 2 1 है ना, this is ground state electronic configuration। Here only one p orbital is there, and how many vacant orbital is required? 3, because number of chloride is 3, so therefore this electron will jump from here to here। So finally what will happen, ये आ गया, clear? It means here 3 orbitals are now vacant। now Cl आएगा, तो Cl में क्या आता है, 1 pz orbital, so now 3 Cl will come, 1 in here 1 here 1 here। in this way sp2 hybrid orbital will be there, clear हुआ? Now 3 hybrid orbital so formed are oriented in trigonal planar। तो यदि आपका hybridization sp2 है, तो यहाँ पे trigonal planar shape will be there and overlap with 2b orbital of Cl to form 3 BCl bond। Therefore in BCl3 Cl BCl angle is 120 degree। Here angle will be again we can say that 120 degree। देखो ये 1s orbital है and 2p orbital, मतलब py and pz, इधर देखो 120 degree planar, and this is structure of BCl3, correct or not? So see, in case of BCl3 what is hybridization, sp2, and if hybridization will be sp2, the shape will be trigonal planar and angle will be 120 degree, clear? Shape will be trigonal planar and angle will be again we can say that here 120 degree, है ना? अब next आता है sp3 hybridization। तो sp3 hybridization can be explained with the help of one well-known example, that is we can say that methane। In methane 1s and 3p orbital of valence shell to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbital of equivalent energy, and then see energy and shape will be there। So there is 25% S character and 75% P character in each sp3 hybrid orbital। The 4 sp3 hybrid orbital so formed are directed toward the 4 corner of tetrahedron and angle is 109.5 degree। Here angle will be 109.5 degree, clear हुआ कि नहीं? Same condition we can explain structure of ammonia, है ना? तो here structure of ammonia as well as we can say that here means water। तो देखो अमोनिया और वाटर का मैंने हाइब्रिडाइजेशन पहले ही बताया था, क्लियर हुआ? तो what will happen in case of ammonia as well as we can say that here means water molecule? तो see In case of ammonia and water molecule, again bond here, what will happen? So hybridization will be sp3, hybridization will be sp3. तो चल जैसे अभी मैंने ये अमोनिया की बात की NH3, तो N Z is 7, तो here 1H2 2H2 2P3, ये आपका 1 2 3, तो 1 2 1 1 1. How many hydrogen? 3. So one hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen. Here sp3 will be there. But this one is lone pair. Here number of lone pair is 1. Another one is bond pair. Here hybridization will be sp3. But due to presence of this one lone pair, its angle will decrease. Decrease मतलब sp3 है तो 109.5 डिग्री होना चाहिए. पर इधर पे क्या हो जाएगा? In case of ammonia, it will decreases from 109.5 degree के compare में 107 degree will come. Why? So because here one lone pair is there. In case of ammonia, here we can say that total number of bonds are 4, but out of this 4, one is related with respect to lone pair and 3 bond is related with respect to bond pair. And due to presence of this lone pair, here hybridization of ammonia will remain same. It means similar to, we can say that methane, but bond angle will not remain same. So here bond angle value will decreases. So why it will decreases? So due to presence of, we can say that one lone pair. Same condition will come in case of H2O. तो oxygen में Z is A, 1H2, 2H2, then after 2P4. So 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So chalo hydrogen will come and here overlapping will start in this way. So again hybridization will be sp3. But here how many lone pairs are there? So number of lone pair is 2. So due to presence of these 2 lone pair in axial position, due to presence of these 2 lone pair in axial position, here chances of repulsion will be more. And due to repulsion, here again bond angle will decreases. And in case of water molecule, bond angle will come 104.5 degree at the place of, we can say that 109.5 degree. So see, whenever we are comparing hybridization of methane, ammonia and water, here hybridization will remain same, but shape of molecule will be also, we can say that same, but bond angles are different. So why bond angles are different? So due to presence of, here we can say that lone pair. Due to presence of, here we can say that lone pair, here bond angles are different. It means, see, so many times hybridization will remain same, but if lone pair is present, here angle, little angle may be changed. तो वो आपको तीनों में बताता है. क्लियर हुआ? चलो.